Buenas noches, profesora. En esta oportunidad, bueno, puede ser el diálogo de la tarea. Mm, Vale. Brian. Hi, Carlos. I want to know more about your daily routine. Do you get up early? Carlos. Yes, I do. I get up at 6 a.m. Brian, what do you do every day? Carlos, I study English. I do my homework and I play soccer every afternoon. Brian, are there any activities you don't do? Carlos, yes, I don't watch TV every day and I don't go to the gym. Brian, when do you study English? Carlos, I study English in the morning at 8 a.m. Brian, what time do your homework? Carlos, I do my homework at 5 p.m. Brian, when do you play soccer? Carlos, I play soccer at 6, 6 and 13 p.m. Carlos, not. It me too. Do you have breakfast every morning? Brian, yes, I do. Carlos, what do you do every day? I go to college. I have lunch with my friend, and I listen to music in the evening. Carlos, what activities do don't you do? Brian, I don't play video games every day, and I don't drink coffee. Carlos, where do you have lunch? Brian, I have lunch at the college cafeteria. Carlos, what time do you do perdón. What time do you go to college? Brian, I go to college at 7:30 a.m. Carlos, then when do you listen to music? Brian, I listen to music at 8 p.m. and I relax before going to bed. Carlos, great, thanks for sharing your routine. Brian, you are welcome. I was nice talking to you. Eso sería todo, profesora. Muchas gracias.